Okay, I've got a tire wear problem here. I'm getting extreme wear on the outer edges of my tire, especially the fronts, and I think that can be seen here. It's all the way around. This intersection's okay. I've still got tread there. The inside, you can't really see it from here, but it is also worn significantly, but not nearly as bad as the outside edge. I've also got some dry weather cracking, but the tire dealer says that's not an issue. Yeah, so that's what's going on there. Then the history on this car, alignment wise, I had it aligned in 2017, and the final camber was we can see that here. Yeah, it was, the left front was minus 0.7 and the right front was minus 1 degree of camber. So everything was aligned, everything was okay there. Car drove perfect, still drives good. Then more recently, in July of 2023, I had it aligned again because I changed the struts all the way around and had to do an alignment. So the after is the only thing that's really important here. My camber on the left front is minus 0.2 degrees and my camber on the right front is minus 0.4. So the camber numbers changed a little bit versus that 2017 number, and I think it was due to the way that I installed the struts on the front of the car. When I tightened the knuckle to strut connection, there's 2 bolts. I'm pointing to it right there on either side. I had the car lifted up in the air like I do now, and I think I should have had it loaded, meaning down on the ground, so the control arm or the car would have been in its normal ride height position. Now it's up in the air. So anyway, I think that could have influenced the change in the negative camber I'm seeing, or in the camber I'm seeing on the front. The same day, also on the back here, the camber is out after the alignment. I've been aware of that. It's been that way for a couple of years, 2 or 3 years, and I just never fixed it. So anyway, I'm going to deal with that soon. But the same day, I went to another dealer, and they have the Hunter Quick Check Drive system installed there, where you just drive your car through between a couple of sensor heads slowly, and it will read the alignment. It can tell the toe on the front and the back, and the camber on the front and the back. It cannot read caster. It does not give any numbers about the degrees or anything, but on the back, this flagged the camber as being out, which I'm aware of, but on the front, the camber was supposed to be in, but this system flagged it as out. And anyway, that kind of corresponds to the extreme wear I'm seeing on the edges of my tire here. So anyway, I've ordered some camber bolts. I may or may not install that. They are it's a bolt with a little cam on it right here, and you can add some extra degrees of adjustability for camber on the front. I got 2 of those. I may or may not install those. I haven't decided yet. Then on the back, the problem, well, this side really isn't a problem. Here's the other side that's got a camber issue. So I've got this adjustable camber link right here, and I do plan on putting that in myself. It goes up inside behind the wheel. There's the top link, so that gives extra degree of camber adjustability. Also, I have these bushings that I purchased. This link has one bushing on that end, but the other end, the bushing is in the knuckle, and if that bushing is completely worn out, I will replace it with one of these bushings here. There's 3 bushings in that knuckle. I'm just focusing on the bushing that corresponds to this adjustable camber link. Anyway, that will give the people at the tire shop with the alignment bench, that will permit them to pull the camber into the correct number on this rear passenger side. Now, I also have the same camber arm for the passenger side, but this side is not having any camber outage issues over here, so I may just not do it. And the only reason I bought it for this side was to give the same treatment to both sides of the car, so everything would be paired up in the same configuration all the way around. Anyway, these tires on the back have 30-something thousand, low 30s thousand miles on them. Both of these, and the ones on the front have a little over 40,000 miles. So as soon as I get these parts installed, at a minimum, I'm going to install the adjustable camber link on the passenger rear. I may not do put any of these other parts on the car. Yeah, so anyway, that's my situation. Hopefully I can get this corrected, and my next set of tires, I can get 60,000 miles out of them. So anyway, if you found this video helpful or entertaining, please subscribe, like, and share. And as stated previously, the parts links are going to be in the description. There's the eccentric bolts for the front of the car. There's 1 bolt per side. It's the same part number for either side. And then in the back of the car, the rear, there are the adjustable camber links. It's the same part number for either side. Thank you for watching.